Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my brand new vlog. So today in this video I'm going to talk about Planet Zoo is finally cracked by Empress. Empress is back. So what is the next game going to be in which Empress is going to work? What was the Denver version Planet Zoo and what are the Denver version of the latest game? More about that and also an update regarding Mafia Definitive Edition, whether you should be having any hope or not. So let's get the show started because this video is going to be very informative. Watch till the end. So firstly, talking about the major news, the Planet Zoo after 300 plus days has been cracked by Empress, and Empress is finally back in the scene. And Empress has mentioned that the Planet Zoo was having a Denver version of 8.5. Yes, that was not expected because certainly the Denver versions are updating in 2020. Higher versions of Denver are coming and Denver is improving too much. And the latest games like Resident Evil 3 Remake, Death Stranding are expected to have a Denver version above 8.5. That is till 9. A ninth version of Denver is being added to all the latest games, certainly to all the game that has been released in 2020 and also that are going to be released later part of this year. So the next question which should obviously come to your mind, what is the next game Empress is going to work, whether it is going to be Resident Evil 3 Remake or Death Stranding. So certainly newer games Empress is not going to work because older Denver version game Empress has managed to work upon. So Empress is currently focused on older game. Currently Empress is going to work on Borderlands 3, all the DLCs of the older game. Also Mortal Kombat 11, yes, Mortal Kombat 11 fans, there is something to rejoice. So all these older versions Denver game Empress is going to work. So let's see what happens going forward. But very important thing happened to do after 300 days the game is cracked and finally out. So there is hope. Don't lose hope when the game happens to be not cracked for above 100 days or 200 days. There is hope because there are people working upon it. Empress also made some valid points, and what I understood is that the scene groups are not updating themselves. Denver is currently going up in the technology and the scene groups are going down. That's what I'm explaining you from all my vlogs, and that is the current factor. The scene groups have to update themselves, otherwise Denver is winning here. So the future of Denver games are only the new P2P individuals or the group because they have the technology to work upon the game. The older scene groups are currently outdated. And one more important thing, all our hopes are now on the Empress. Let's see how Empress moves going forward, and we have to give Empress time because that's the very important thing Empress needs working upon the game. Empress is here to stay, and let's see Empress can bring the magic back into gaming which was missing in 2020. So that was the latest update regarding Empress and what is the current situation happening. Now let's move on to the next news, and the next news is regarding Mafia Definitive Edition. What is happening now? As you guys know, last minute Denver was added to it, and the game is going to release on 25th September. So having any hope that Mafia Definitive Edition could be out sooner is very not realistic. So have a realistic hope regarding the game because 2K has spent a lot of money in Mafia Definitive Edition. That's why they have added Denver in it, and this is the first Mafia game I can think that has Denver. So it means that 2K is in real desperation, and that's why Denver is added to it. Currently the version is not clear which Denver version Mafia Definitive Edition is going to have, but it is being reported that 9th version, since all the latest game and all the updated games of 2020 are having a Denver version of 9, Mafia Definitive Edition is certainly going to have Denver version 9, and there you have the answer. Denver version 9 means nobody in the scene group or P2P has a technology, or the new P2P individual has to upgrade their technology. So that means Mafia Definitive Edition you certainly have to wait. If any P2P has the technology, if any P2P has the motivation, then anything can happen, any miracle can happen. But miracles happen once in a lifetime. We have to wait and see whether miracle happens with Mafia Definitive Edition or not. Let's see what happens going forward. So this is the current situation happening with all your games. So you must have a realistic approach regarding all the games. Having false hope will only make you saddened. So have realistic hope. That's why it will make you strong going forward, and you will have a clear mind whether your favorite games are coming out or not. So that's the latest on all the games, all your favorite games. So hopefully you liked today's episode. Hopefully this video was very informative to you. My purpose is that you know what is happening around your favorite game. All the gaming news is the news, and I feel as a gamer you must know what is happening around your favorite game. So hopefully like this video. Don't forget that like, share, subscribe button. Can we have 200 likes for this video? Let's see what happens. So see you in the video. Bye bye, take care. Hopefully with some positive news regarding all your favorite games, and vlog 100 is coming. That is going to be very special. See you in that. Bye bye, take care. Keep supporting, keep loving, keep gaming.